Where we came from, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna go right over there. We'll see in a minute. So these guys are all ready. They're all gonna it's pretty amazing how quick they all just jump right off. Done. So as soon as we're off, I think he's gonna go. Oh, he might wait a few minutes. Okay, we're safely on shore. Say hello. There's gasoline. I just picked up gasoline from bottles like that. So look, I just met Bunthoeun's mum. Say hello, and she's explaining she has 8 children, and here we are at the house here. His mum. Yeah. She's quiet now, but she was just talking a storm just a minute ago. They got these man-made ponds all over, and so the question I had is, okay, that's great that there's water collection for the irrigation, but how are they getting the water up from the pond? And he showed me there's mostly underground. I can see it popping up here. There, and then they have here spouts, taps. There's another one over there, and then he was explaining this tree here. You can eat it.
Yeah, can eat.
Oh, it's the root. This is I don't know what that is. What is it? It's like potato.
Can,
yeah.
Can, the like
yeah.
Is all,
yeah, the root.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's small, so.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So my friends from Africa will know what that is. Naps. Jaden, what is that? Yeah. Okay, I know what it is now. So in English we call it yuca.
Yuca.
Yeah, in English.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, 300.
Yeah, okay,
300
yeah.
grain. And then so sad.
Because the tree
yeah,
gives so much.
many, yeah.
So the tree was producing 300 durian, and then when it's gone, she loses all that fruit. Wow.
Before.
Yeah. Now you put a new one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you have another one.
Mà
They're just pointing out this is one stage of like this. I don't even know how to explain it. But all this whole cluster is going to turn into one. It's good. This one. Eat it? No. Huh? Eat? Yeah. You eat it.
Can you try?
họ tắc
I don't know.
The water?
Oh, the water.
Yeah.
Okay, look.
It's a sweet water.
Right. Okay. Yeah, it's nectar. Nectar. Now I understand why she was just licking it and why the children wanted to taste it. Now I get it.
โดนการไปการทอดแบบตบใส่
Thôi chứ.
Ai hao cùng chết á. Những cái ngò. Đứng này. Cái ngò, cái cắp. Cái ngò.
Like an onion.
Can the cook?
Similar. Yeah, but similar flavor, kind of onionish. Onion. It's fibrous. It's not like a potato, not like that. It's more like layers. More like layers, like an onion. And the flavor is also sharp. Sharp like an onion. Even smells like an onion. Now we just need a donkey. Come.
ăn lên nó lấy thọt lên nữa
Happy Durian.
Durian.
Mom. It's come to Grandma. Yeah. Grandma.
Okay.
Happy Durian farming. We arrived back at her house, at Bunthoeun's mother's house. This is the home lot. Hey, how you doing? So yesterday I had a great day hanging out with Bunthoeun, his children, his brother Rack, his other brother, I didn't catch your name, sorry, and your mother. We spent a lot of time on your family farm there, where your mom and your family are growing durian, you're growing yuca, raising some mudfish. I saw tons of chickens that you're raising to sell. Yeah, it was a great day. And here's some of the fruit of the labor. So here's the yuca we dug up. This also is yuca that we dug up at your farm, and I boiled it last night, and then I fried it up in the pan. I used some bacon grease and had delicious yuca fries. Absolutely delicious. So thanks Bunthoeun, and thank you to all of your family. Have a great day. Fried yuca. It's going to be delicious.